Babe! Did you already pack my charger in your backpack? For a pocket? Got it.
Didn't you tell them to charge their phone before you packed it? You're right. It probably lost all charge after scrolling for so long.
I wouldn't be scrolling if my partners didn't take so long to get ready. Your little cuddle sesh left you with a cold breakfast and me with no charge.
I have to agree with them on that. They woke up early with you. But you insisted on waking me up your way. Yeah. I prefer your gentle kisses and soft tone to loud music and pitchy singing.
Oh, stop pretending. You hum along once you're actually out of bed. Mwah. And you love my dance moves.
Don't act like you think it's gross. You used to be so flustered when you saw us kiss.
You next.
I'll start loading up the car. Did you go through your checklist yesterday, sweetheart? Great. Did you check all the outlets?
Yep, everything is turned off or unplugged. I also closed all the windows, and any dirty dishes are cleaned and put away.
Thank you. Now I can leave with peace of mind.
Baby and I will take care of the snacks and backpacks. Did you decide on a blanket you want to take? You'll be sprawled out on the back seat for the majority of the road trip. There's nothing wrong with wanting to be comfortable.
I don't know what you're talking about. My mind is always pure.
None of that would be happening. Last time my back felt like shit for a week. No, being a pillow princess will not make me want to try again.
Go get the snacks ready, sweetheart.
Get ready for the coolest road trip ever!
Do you have everything you need, sweetheart? Tell me if you need anything.
Babe, could you hand me your phone, please? I'll pull up the map. Huh? Just scroll on mine. We could literally watch the same stuff. And with all those videos you sent me, it's become infested with your interests. Come on! I can't put in the holder with the power bank attached. Deal. You get one snack all to yourself. Actually, 2 snacks. You can get 2 snacks all to yourself.
Wow. You'll never get a deal like this again. Sweetheart, better hurry up before I put my phone on the line too.
Thank you, baby. Now pick out your 2 snacks. Huh? Fine, you're right. A deal is a deal. You picked out your snacks, so here you go. Take my phone.
I hope you still find it in your heart to share your snacks with me. Only one handful? Damn, you big back bitch. You are as greedy as ever.
Okay, the map is ready. Time to get this show on the road. Babe, give me a bite. You can't just change the snacks we agreed upon. This is a breach of our contract. Mom!
Please stop calling me mom whenever you guys fight. I am not a parent. Especially not your parent. The authoritative titles you call me during our ventures are not appropriate in this situation either. Withholding the snacks that are not locked in your possession through contract must be shared with any party that wishes to have some. Hand them over.
Now gimme.
Hey, you're spilling them.
I'll clean it up. I learned it from the last time, baby. And I ate in the car.
Sweetheart, I found fries in between the seats for months after the two of you decided that a late-night fast food run would be romantic.
It was really romantic. And also that late night fast food led to a wonderful heart-to-heart conversation.
Can those heart-to-heart conversations happen anywhere other than the car? Maybe at home or outside?
Outside romance is your thing. Don't think I forgot about the vacation. You kidnapped our baby and ran away with them. You're lucky that you could still hear me yell.
I didn't kidnap them. We went out to sit in the grass and stargaze. Not my fault you nodded off before you caught on. Hearing you scream bloody murder while I was trying to open up to our partner really set the mood. I'm happy you didn't think it was ruined, sweetheart.
Well, we live and we learn. After that little fiasco, I made us get that GPS tracker app, so I know that you were also eating in the car.
What? You're speaking nonsense. I wouldn't be so strict with you dirtying the car with your crumbs if I were doing it myself. I'm not a hypocrite.
I'm talking about the restaurant you went to with our baby. You guys were celebrating your promotional, whatever, and then you stayed in your car for like 40 minutes afterwards. Baby told me all about it. You guys were having dessert in the car.
Don't laugh, you brat. You did what? God, I told you not to tell them. They're gonna be so annoying about it.
Hold on. Based on our reaction. You guys were...
Do not finish that sentence. I'm glad my misery tickles you so much, sweetheart. Did you just...
Oldest trick in the book.
Ugh, now I have your drool all over my hand. Sweetheart, could you hand me a napkin?
Wouldn't be the first time.
Gross.
You still love me. Reached the gas station. Time to stretch our feet and trade places. I mean us. You stay comfy in the backseat.
Sweetheart, your water ran out a while ago. Do you want to go in and buy some? Is the promise of more snacks the only way to get you on your feet? Fine. Go.
I'm going with you, babe. This nerd takes way too long to adjust the seat.
Sorry for wanting to drive safe.
Milady. Alright, you go pick up some snacks for your hoard, and I will get the water. Babe, you know I love and that I always have your back, but I fear the reaction that this mountain of snacks will get. No need to worry, I was expecting this. So I have already mustered up the perfect plan. Let's stuff it under our shirts. No one will suspect a thing.
There you guys are. What took you so...
Hey there, ready to drive?
What do you have?
Oh, these? Oh, these are the waters you wanted us to get. Yup, only water, nothing else.
Lift up your shirt.
They're right, you're perv for wanting to reveal our intimate bodies out in the open like this, with all these eyes watching.
That is... Ugh. You know that's not what I meant.
Baby, how could you? Smuggling more snacks into the car. Wait, hey! Welp.
Sweetheart, I thought that you were responsible enough to not buy this many snacks. We're going to eat at a restaurant tonight. You'll spoil your dinner with all those. You got my favorites? My favorite flavors? Fine. Get in the car.
You fought right through that stubbornness. Not gonna lie. That was hot.
Sweetheart, could you hand me the snacks you got me?
You can't eat the snacks right now. You'll spoil your dinner.
Shut up.
You love me. I know you love me, baby.
I love you too, sweetheart. And I guess I love you too.
Woohoo! A rare win to me.
Shut up. Stop laughing. Only one handful? Damn, you big back bitch. You are as greedy as ever. Sorry, I don't know. I thought some improv would be great there. I'm leaving that in. I am so sorry, Scythe. This is your first impression of me. I promise I'm professional, but that was funny. Come on. Sorry, this line is silly.